Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Nighthawk Hotspot Antenna is probably one of the most crucial accessories for anyone relying on mobile internet. Whether you're a digital nomad, a remote worker, or simply someone who needs reliable internet on the go, a high-quality antenna can make a world of difference. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Netgear Nighthawk Hotspot Antenna, exploring its features, performance, and why it might be the perfect solution for your connectivity needs. Number 5. Netgear Omnidirectional MIMO Antenna, 600-0450. Are you struggling with a weak mobile broadband signal? This antenna is designed to improve the performance of your devices, especially in areas with low signal strength. It's a great solution for both indoor and outdoor use. This antenna covers a wide range of frequencies, from 700 MHz to 2600 MHz. This allows it to work with a variety of mobile broadband devices. It ensures you get the best possible connection. Whether you're at home or on the go, this antenna can help. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor use, giving you flexibility. It helps you stay connected wherever you are. This antenna is compatible with Netgear MR1100, LB112021, and LB2120. It's a perfect accessory to enhance the performance of your existing devices. The setup is simple and straightforward. If you're experiencing poor 3G or 4G signal, this antenna can help. It's designed to boost your signal strength. It will improve your overall mobile broadband experience. What we like. This antenna covers a wide range of frequencies, ensuring compatibility. It can be used both indoors and outdoors, providing flexibility. If you have a mobile hotspot and need to boost your signal in various locations, this is a great choice. What people say. The dual connection ports of this antenna connect perfectly into the hotspot, greatly enhancing signal strength. After connecting the Netgear MIMO antenna, the signal strengthened from -115 to -99 dB. Before this antenna, running an internet speed test showed my download speed was around 6 to 8 megabits per second. After connecting this antenna, I am now getting regular tests above 30 megabits per second, and tonight I ran a test of over 56 megabits per second, see attached picture. Using this antenna to get better cell signal to the hotspot makes that big of a difference. Number 4. Waveform 2x2 MIMO Panel Antenna Kit. Are you tired of bad video calls? This kit uses a cross-polarized panel antenna to boost your modem or hotspot speed. It provides up to 8 dB of gain over a wide frequency range. Stop buffering. This antenna kit uses multiple connections to pull in more signal. This maximizes the efficiency of your device, so you can enjoy smooth streaming. With a MIMO-enabled router, you get double the signal. This means more data is sent and received, improving your connection. It's like having two antennas working together. Our kit includes a 3-pack of adapters. This helps you connect to most 2x2 LTE and 5G routers. You won't need to buy any extra adapters. When you buy this antenna, you get lifetime support. The support team is available by text or phone, 7 days a week. They are ready to help you with any questions. What we like. The MIMO panel antenna kit uses multiple connections for a stronger signal. It also comes with a dedicated support team for any assistance. If you are looking for a reliable antenna with excellent customer support, this one is for you. What people say. The system components appear to be good quality and the documentation is first rate. This antenna adds enough signal strength to make the connection reliable. Aiming the antenna is easy once you know which cell is selected by the router. Query the router for the cell identity, use a site like CellMapper to locate that cell tower on a map, then aim the antenna at that tower. Number 3. Proxicast Antenna 126-0024G LTE 5G Wi-Fi Omni Antenna. Are you tired of weak signals? This antenna is designed to improve signal strength and speed. It works with a wide range of cellular broadband services. This antenna is compatible with routers, modems, and gateways from various brands. It's a versatile solution for your connectivity needs. It is easy to set up. The antenna features a weather and impact-resistant design. It comes with a stainless steel mounting bracket for easy installation. This ensures it can withstand the elements. It has an integrated female end connector, eliminating the need for an additional ground plane. Remember, it needs to be connected to a cellular modem or router. This makes setup straightforward. Please note that this antenna is designed for devices directly wired to it. It will not improve the signal for cell phones or other devices not directly connected. Make sure your device is compatible. What we like. This antenna offers high gain for improved signal strength and speed. It's built to withstand the elements with its weather-resistant design. If you need a durable and versatile antenna for outdoor use, consider this one. What people say. When I mounted this on the apex of our roof, it was just enough to get a direct line of sight to the cell tower. The result was a jump huge from 2 bars to 5 bars on the Netgear Nighthawk 1100 mobile hotspot router and an increase of 10 to 20 dB in signal. The unit is well made. Seems weather resistant enough and has a profile that should be okay in high winds. The connections are secure. Number 2. Waveform MIMO Outdoor Antenna Kit. Are you experiencing poor video call quality? This antenna kit from Waveform can help. It uses powerful antennas to boost your signal and improve your connection. Say goodbye to buffering streams and videos. This kit maximizes your device's efficiency by pulling more signal from the tower. You'll experience a much smoother online experience. With 2 antennas, you get twice the signal. This MIMO setup sends and receives double the data, resulting in a stronger and more reliable connection for your device. Our kit includes adapters to connect to most major LTE routers, including the T-Mobile 5G gateway. This ensures that it is compatible with your existing setup, right out of the box. When you buy this antenna kit, you get lifetime access to Waveform support team. They are available by text or phone, 7 days a week, to assist you with any questions or issues you may have. This antenna kit supports a wide range of routers, including models from Mophie, Netgear, ATT, Cradlepoint, and Verizon. Check the full list to see if it works with your device. What we like. The MIMO Log Periodic Outdoor Antenna Kit uses Yagi antennas for a powerful signal. It also comes with lifetime support. If you like a high-performance antenna kit with excellent customer service, this is the one for you. What people say. After finding the best location with a line of sight of the cell tower, I completed the installation. I configured the Nighthawk in the ISP modem mode and connected it to my network router. I now have 3 routers and 2 access points running on my network. The MIMO antenna increases my downloads to 187 megabits per second and uploads to 90 megabits per second. Aiming all 4 antennas so it would connect to NSA bands was tricky but well worth it. We live in rural area. Beginning signal was -116 dB 10-15 mbs download on a good day. My ending results 130 download 13.8 upload. A world of difference. I mounted the antennas on a pole so I walk around and hold it as high in the air as possible. I had just leaned it in that spot while I connected the cables to the modem. I figured why not run a speed test just to see if it was getting ant signal at all. Turned out that spot, just above and over a metal roof I built over my AC units, pointing at a slight downward angle toward the metal roof was where I got the best signal. I never would have thought that. The higher I positioned it the worse the signal got. It has only been up for 2 days, but it is working great. I had ATT crappy DSL with less than 1 megabit per second, went to a home cellular internet provider that got me to between 4 and 17 megabits per second, and now with the MIMO Log Periodic Antenna I am between 23 and 35 megabits per second, depending on cellular traffic. I am pretty happy. Smiling face with smiling eyes. Number 1. Eifagur 4G LTE Antenna for Hotspots. This antenna boosts your 4G LTE signal. It's designed to improve the performance of your mobile hotspot, ensuring a more stable and faster connection. The antenna supports a broad frequency range. This allows it to work with various carriers like Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, and Sprint, providing you with versatile compatibility. With a 5 dB gain, this antenna amplifies the signal. Its omnidirectional design means it captures signals from all directions, making setup easy. The antenna is IP67 waterproof, ensuring it can withstand different weather conditions. It's built to last, providing reliable performance. The package includes everything you need for setup. It comes with a wall mount bracket, screws, and an adapter cable, making installation straightforward. This antenna works with many devices, including Netgear Nighthawk and Verizon Jetpack models. It's a great solution for improving your mobile broadband experience. We've carefully checked each product. If you have any questions, please contact us. We will reply within 24 hours. What we like. This antenna is omnidirectional, capturing signals from all directions. It is also waterproof, ensuring durability. If you need a reliable antenna that is easy to set up and works with various carriers, consider it. What people say. I use this to increase the signal of my Nighthawk M1100 hotspot router that resides inside a steel building. The antenna is mounted outside near the peak of the roof, so I get a better signal from the cellular tower. I use this for camping in the mountains. I use it with a Netgear hotspot and go from no signal, to oftentimes being able to stream video. I have it on a pole about 15 feet high. So yes, it works excellently. I used it for a trail camera where I didn't have any signal and it worked. I have one camera there with its own antenna. No signal, and one with the antenna I bought off Amazon, and it works fine for the money. I figured I didn't have much to lose. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.